guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I'm doing a clean with me video today, and I usually don't start off with talking to the camera. It's usually a nice voiceover, some nice music, and we go right into it. But I need to explain why my condo looks so crazy. Like, guys, this is the worst, and it's slightly embarrassing. I've been going back and forth whether I should do this video or not, but I decided on it because I have to clean, and I got so many people tell me how therapeutic it was to watch a clean with me video. So this week was a really busy week. I tried to pick up after us, but it just didn't work. We were so busy, and this was only 1 week. So I'm gonna show you. Well, one, I just can't ignore this section. This section has to stay this way because I need to figure out where I'm going to put my suitcase, bins, hockey equipment, other suitcase. Okay, that bag is garbage. This is laundry, and laundry that needs to be folded. Okay, it's a little crazy. More laundry. Then it's just like trashed. It's trashed in here. That blanket over here always throws me off because it looks like a bunch of stuff. I mean, it's got dog hair on it, but it's Andrew's t-shirts that's made into a blanket. This stuff needs to be cleaned up over here. This needs to be tidied up. The bathroom's not crazy. Well, it's just things need to be put away. Then the kitchen. So we only ate out once, which was last night. This is not mine. I did not eat this. Andrew did. I had a salad. Yeah. I have cooked the whole week, so I feel like the kitchen is done pretty well. But like looking from here, oh my gosh, this place looks crazy. And my bedroom, there's just stuff on the floors. Like, that's clean laundry. This is so embarrassing, but I embarrass myself for your pleasure. I only have 2 hours for uninterrupted cleaning, and then I have to go to the gym, get my workout on, and then I will come home and finish, and hopefully it will only take 3 hours for this whole place to be ship shape, whatever you say. Anyways, whoa, never mind. I hope that you enjoy this clean with me. got this little guy. All the cleaning is done. I have made myself some coffee, which I can now enjoy. As you all know, it's like my reward. It's hot. Just wanted to mention, I did vacuum and wash my floors, but I thought I was turning on the camera and I thought I was hitting record, but it was already recording, so I actually stopped the recording, so it's missing all of that. So my apologies. I'm not gonna redo it because it's already clean. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was crazy, but we did it. I got laundry done. I got this place whipped into shape, and now I gotta take care of this. I gotta whip this into shape. So thank you so much for watching this clean with me. I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye.